Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today I'm going to be doing another project share. This is going to be for the Flourish Maggie Holmes collection. I have a lot of projects that I've been making just to have in my stash. I've been working with this collection for about 2 months already, so hopefully have enough to do swaps with. But if you guys would like to keep up with all that, I do have my Instagram linked down below. I know some of you guys don't have Instagram, so I'll try my best to continue letting you guys know on here. But yeah, again, those will be linked down below. So for today's share, I will be doing a bag topper project share. So the bag toppers that I made, I actually have a process video. I don't know if I'll have it out after this video or before, but I will go ahead and have that linked down if I do get it done before. And I use my Silhouette Cameo to create these myself. It's not something you could purchase. I just designed it on my own, and then I did make some scalloped ones, but those weren't cutting out very well, so I have to figure that out. But here are the ones that I made with the silhouette, and these are the ones that I have a video on, which you should keep an eye out for. Again, if it's linked down below, I'll make sure to list it down there with the other shares. But I did do 5 of them, and I will zoom in. Okay, so here's one of them. And for those of you that don't know what bag toppers are, I mean, they're pretty popular right now. It's just to decorate your bags with. When you package up goodies, you can even hand them off to people so they can use them. But it's really up to you, and it's super cute. So there's that one. I have this one here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so like I said, I'm not really going to get too into how these were made because I do have a process video on them, so I'll just show you. Some of these I did use double-sided paper since I was able to get some from Joann's. Love this one, super cute. Oh, I don't know why that's stuck there. And there's some dimension, not too crazy. I like to use my hot glue gun too for dimension. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right here on top of the hello, instead of using like little tiny pieces of hot or like foam or just cutting out a foam layer for the hello, I use my hot glue gun to do that. And the last one for this one. You can see how my layers kind of came together. Yeah, so those are those bag toppers, and then I also made doily ones. I made the doily ones before these. And so I'll go ahead and show you guys those. So for some of them, I did do some glitter dipped doilies that I made. And I did stitch them. So at the top I was stitching them. I layered 2 doilies for each one. Some of the doilies I die cut with my die cutting machine. And then some of them were from my stash. So these are from Michael's from a while ago during springtime. It's pink with gold polka dots. And then you just slide them onto your packaging. Again, you can either use them or you can gift them to your pen pals. But here's how the pattern looks. And I just did some layering. There's another one. This is a hot pink one. This doily is actually like a star shape. And I used the same thread for each one. It's like a light pink, like a salmon pink. And then I used these from Hobby Lobby, I believe. It's a mint green one. Again, using the Star Doily die. And this was by Spellbinders, but it's a very old die. I got it from Tuesday Morning years ago when I first got my die cutting machine, and my die cutting machine was like the Artisan Explorer thingy. So yeah, there's that. And then you guys can see the glitter. I use iridescent thick glitter. And then I used the Rosette Tim Holtz die to actually make these so that I don't have to keep folding them. I used vellum. And then did a lot of foam on that one. I did 8 of them total. This one was one of my favorites. I love the yellow and green, the mixture of pink. This was using that, the lemon paper. And I used that doily, that Star Doily, and then this is a black doily for my stash. And then again with the iridescent glitter. The iridescent glitter is fun because it's clear, so you can kind of see the color of the doily behind it. And it changes that color. I don't know if you guys can catch it. Like, see, this one's like kind of, I don't know, can't really tell. I don't know, I see a difference. But yeah, so here's that. And this is a mini doily from Amy Tangerine that I really have to use up, or at least gift, because I really need to get rid of it. But this I just did a normal like rosette, crepe paper rosette. And then the other 4 are smaller doilies. So I used white doilies for these ones. And these for 2 of them I used just some of this flock, this like iridescent flock. You could tell the difference, it's not really glitter. And I got those from Tuesday Morning. I just did some layering. Again, these are smaller, so as you guys can see, not too much of a difference. I did the stitching. Again, some layers. And this trim, this trim right here, I actually got this from 99-cent store. I do have 2 packs of the Maggie Holmes one, but I'm trying to use up what I have opened already because they're pretty similar to each other. Here's the pattern I used. Here's another one. And then this one I actually stitched first before I actually glued it down. Again with the glitter. This one kind of ripped, but it's okay, it's just the back. And then I die cut this one with a die from, I think I got that one from Ally, for that one. Yeah, all of these ones are the Ally die for these, because it was a small, pretty good size doily. And I made this is like using crochet thread. It's like a bow. Then I put a heart in the middle. And then these were just scraps I layered. Another one of those mini doilies. And then again the Tim Holtz die with a sticker. Came together pretty quick. And then the last one, I used these sprays from Hobby Lobby. This is the pattern. One of my favorite patterns there. I'm not a huge purple fan, but this purple is just really pretty. So yeah, that's it for this share. Let me zoom out here and show you. So these are the bag toppers that I created. And then these are the ones that I have a tutorial on, which you should keep your eye out if I don't have it linked down below. But that's how those turned out. If you guys want to see pictures, again, look on my Instagram. I don't know if I'm going to be adding photos at the end of my video anymore, just because it does take a while to edit those, and I just don't have a lot of time. Sorry about that. Again, camera difficulties. But like I was saying, I just don't have a lot of time like I used to edit videos or edit pictures. So again, just look on Instagram for those, because I definitely will be having close-ups of them. But I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing today's project share. Just keep an eye out for my last one for this collection, I believe. I'm not done making stuff, so you will be seeing more. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.